Hi, I'm Sean from GoPower, and today we're going to do some tech tips on the IC3000 inverter charger and the IC2000 inverter charger. Today's tech tip covers the IC series inverter chargers not turning off when they're connected to shore. So it's actually normal function for this to happen because the relays are powered up and the inverter doesn't want to turn off until power has been removed. So as you can see, I have the inverter charger on right now. I'm going to connect it to shore power. Now the unit's going to sense AC coming in, the relay will fire over, and then it's going to start charging. So we're charging the batteries right now, and we have power passing through the unit. So I'm going to go ahead and hit off on the inverter now. Hit the off button. You'll notice everything's still powered up. The only way of knowing that the unit actually has had the off button clicked on, it's a flashing green light that's on the front of the inverter charger itself. It's not on the remote. So we get this question a lot. Why is my unit not turning off? Well, we must remove AC power from the input of the inverter before it will turn off. So I'll demonstrate now. We'll disconnect from shore. There you go. The IC is now turned off. So we get that question a lot. We just wanted to cover that it's absolutely normal, and you can press that button as many times as you want. You need to remove AC power before it will actually turn off.